Hey guys, welcome to yet another quick AI/ML tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update the memory or add any particular information to any memory in Qwen AI. So to do that, the first thing that you will need to do is open any particular chat in Qwen AI. For that, simply head on to chat.qwen.ai. And now let's say from here, I wish to update anything from the memory. So the first thing I will show you is how to add anything to memory. So for that, all you will need to do is simply type in a prompt that starts with save in your memory, or you can also type it to memorize. And then type in the thing that you wish the Qwen to memorize. For example, I like apples. Now simply hit the send button. You can set the mode to automatic, not even thinking or fast, or you can do the same as well, but that's not an issue. It will save it nevertheless. Now you can see it is storing this as a personal preference and also updating the memory. Once you see this updated memory, this means that the memory has been successfully entered. Now let us see if the particular memory is present in the memory or not. So for that, click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner and then click on settings. Now from here, click personalization and you will see this memory option. Click manage and you can see that this is the saved memory. It has already saved my name before and then it has also saved my preference that I like apples. Now let us see updating any memory. So for example, in this chat, I asked him to save my name, that my name is Thanos. Let's change the same and I will simply ask him to update your memory. My name is Mythos. And now I'll simply send it and we will see if it can actually update the memory and all of the reference memories for the same. Like the first one, which was the username is Mythos, and the second one that Mythos likes Apple. So this is what it should look like. So you can see it is currently updating the personal details to reflect the correct identity and preferences. So we will just let it cook. You can see all of the thought process here if you wish. It's taking a little bit longer than other LLMs out there, but still, it is currently updating the memory. So whenever you see updated memory, it's most likely going to reflect it. So, okay, so it has updated the memory pointers, and now let us see if it has actually reflected there or not. We go to settings, then we're going to go to personalization, and then click on manage button, and you can see that the user's name is Mythos, and Mythos likes Apple. So yes, it has definitely updated the memory. So this was all about entering or creating a new memory or updating memory in Mythos. Sorry, I mean in Qwen AI. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.